Alright YouTube, what's going on? It's your man Mike. I'm back again with another video. Welcome to the channel. And today we're going to talk about a case for the OnePlus 7 Pro. Now I got a couple of these that are going to be coming out, so make sure you stay tuned. If you just picked up a OnePlus 7 Pro and you're looking for another case to put on the phone, aside from the clear case that it came with, stay tuned. I got 4 cases total that should be coming to you guys really soon, but we're going to start today with one that I picked up when I got the phone. So we're going to peel this plastic case, or this clear case that it came with. Now this is a great case, got that nice material on the inside of it to keep it from getting a lot of fingerprints, but you know, it's not the most protective case, but it's good enough. But when you have a phone, it doesn't matter if it's a you know, a $130 phone or if it's anything from a $1,200 phone, you want to make sure that the phone is protected, you know. And so for this investment you just made, $700 to $750, you want to make sure that you have a good case on it, and you want to make sure that you know that this is going to be protected at all times. So let's talk about the Tech 21 case that I picked up from the T-Mobile store when I got the phone. Now, this is a $40 case, but with this case you get a 12 feet of drop protection, an antimicrobial protection, so it helps reduce germs, keeps the case hygienically clean. You get a check design on the inside that adds a subtle design detail. You get a slim profile, and it contains flex shock, which will help with the absorption of an impact if you drop the phone. So let's take the case out. Now, get the case out, and sliding it out, you see it has kind of a smoke appearance to it with the black border. Now I kind of like how this case looks. I think it's going to look really nice on the blue finish of the OnePlus 7 Pro. Sorry, not the OnePlus 6T. So we'll put that to the side, and let's pick the phone up. Make sure the phone, you know, I love that matte back, no fingerprints on the back of it. So we'll just take the phone, and I always like to go top first, especially with this pop-up camera here. I definitely like to do that. I'll pop it in the bottom corners, and this is pretty much what you're going to get. So we'll take a look around it, and you get a cutout here for your mute switch. You got your power button. Got your volume rocker up and down. You got your pop-up camera up there. I'll do a little test so you guys can see how the pop-up camera works with that opening. So you can see, works just fine. No blockage or anything. You can also see where you have a little bit of an indentation up there for the actual speaker grill at the top. You got a cover over here for your mic. You got your mic is open over here. You got your USB-C port, and you got your speaker grill at the bottom. And that's a pretty solid case. You got a nice little bit of lip on it, so even though the screen is raised, you know, you do have that curved screen. You don't have to worry about if you put the phone face down, not gonna have any problems. So definitely a good thing there. And yeah, for 40 bucks, this is just overall a great win. I think this is a good case. Tech 21 has always made great cases, so definitely something you should keep in mind if you're looking to protect your phone with a quality case. And yeah, so this is available at your T-Mobile store through tech21.com. You might be able to find it online as well from various sellers, maybe on Amazon. I'll leave some links below in the description for where I can find it at aside from the T-Mobile. And I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Leave a comment down below if you have the OnePlus 7 Pro. Let me know what case you're rocking on yours, if you're rocking a case at all. Some of you like to go bareback, and you know, hey, that's up to you. Me personally, insurance or no insurance, I like to have a case on my phone. I just like to have that protection, and I like how this gives the phone a little bit of grip. You know, you have that material on the back that just kind of makes it really grippy in the hand, even though it's a smooth texture. So anyway, it's your man Mike. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace.